In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Facebook Metapixel to Godaddy Website Builder. To get started, log into your Godaddy account and open your My Products page. This is where you can access the products and services connected to your account, including your website tools. Once you are on that page, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. Next to the website you want to update, click Manage. This will take you into the area where you can control your site settings and make changes. From there, click Edit Website to open the visual editor. This is the main workspace where you can adjust your website content, design, and connected tools. After the editor loads, look over to the right-hand panel and click Settings. The Settings area includes several options related to integrations and website functionality, so this is where you will connect your tracking tool. Inside the Settings options, select Facebook Pixel. When you open that section, you will see a field where you can enter your Facebook Metapixel ID. Carefully paste your Pixel ID into the designated text box. Make sure you are entering only the Pixel ID and not any extra code or spaces, since the ID is the key piece Godaddy needs to connect your site with meta tracking. After you paste in the Pixel ID, click Done or Save, depending on what your screen shows. This stores the setting inside the website editor, but there is still one more important action you need to take. To make the tracking active on your live website, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing pushes the update to your live site, which allows the Metapixel to begin tracking activity based on your setup in Meta. If you do not publish, the Pixel connection may be saved in the editor, but not applied to the live version of your site, so be sure not to skip that final step. Once your website is published, your Facebook Metapixel should now be linked to your Godaddy Website Builder site. That covers everything you need to know.